So trailer inspections encompass a variety of things. The first thing we're looking for on our trailers is that all of the tools that we've sent our crews out with have come back. So we do have a system that is called Invisi-Tag, that all of the hand tools, and for that matter all of the machinery, has a magnetic stripe on it, sort of like a barcode, and we're able to go through in a line and hold up a scanning machine and go around that trailer, and we know exactly what's there and exactly what's missing.
So all of our power equipment have an RFID tag, all our mowers do, all of our hand tools do. By chance, if somebody borrowed a tool from somebody, if they were both working at the same job site and they borrowed a tool from another crew and left it on their trailer, it would show up as red because it's designated for another trailer. That's one of the main reasons that we do this, is that if there's any equipment lost, that we find it timely. A lot of times it could have been left at the job site the night before. They go back, they'll find the tool, boom. So the trailers are going to be hooked up to the truck at 7 o'clock. The two crew members that come in that do the trailer inspections are doing, one is doing enclosed trailers and one is doing open trailers. So they have a checklist, and what they're doing is they're walking around the trailer and making sure that the trailer is safe, first of all. We put the lights on in the truck and we make sure that the trailer lights work.
And they work their way from the front to the back, all the way around. If you've ever done any kind of truck driving, you may have heard of a circle check. It's really based upon that circle check.
They check that the safety chains are there and properly hooked up. They check to see that the pintle is closed and properly safety pinned. They check the tires to make sure there's no abnormalities with the tires. There's not a flat tire, a soft tire, that they notice anything, shards of metal sticking out or anything like that. And they check the general condition of the trailer, make sure that there's nothing unusual that might have happened that the crew members missed. And we make them safe to roll out every day.